Powkiddy RGB20S Best Tips and Tricks. Tune the device for optimal performance. Firmware update. Ensure your device has the RCOS custom firmware for improved performance and ease of use. Regularly check for firmware updates by connecting to Wi-Fi and navigating to Options-Update in the firmware menu. MicroSD card. Use the brand name microSD card provided, as it is more reliable than unbranded cards. Always back up your microSD card immediately upon receiving the device. Optimizing emulation settings. N64 emulation. Use the standalone RICE emulator for better performance compared to the default parallel N64 core. Configure the button mapping for standalone RICE. L1. L targeting right analog stick directions. C inputs PSP emulation. Access and modify the configuration files located in PSP/PPSP/PSP/systems/ on the EasyROMs partition. Use the configurations based on settings from GitHub repository. Game Boy emulation. Set the screen color to a light green to match the original Game Boy display. To try different palettes, use the RetroArch quick menu. Press Select +X in-game. Go to Options-Internal palette. Then save changes under Overrides-Save current directory overrides. Dreamcast emulation. Use the core set to Retroran 32-Flycast32_Rumble for optimal performance. Utilizing hotkeys and power management. Hotkeys. Safe power off. Press R3 plus power button. Quit game. Select plus start twice for standalone emulators. Select plus start once for most other systems. Sleep mode. Quick press of the power button to enter. Press again to wake up. RetroArch quick menu. Select +X. RetroArch quick save/load. Select +R1 save. Select +L1 load. Turning off. Normal shutdown. Press start, go to quit and select shutdown system. Hard shutdown. Hold the power button if normal methods fail. Screensaver and display settings. Screensaver. After several minutes of inactivity, the screensaver plays videos of random games. Press start to play the game shown or press a face button to exit. Battery level. Check the battery level by pressing the start button on the system selection or game list screens. Backup and restore procedures. Backup your microSD card. Regularly backup your microSD card to avoid data loss. Restore firmware. If necessary, you can restore firmware by using the backup microSD card and following the update instructions in the firmware menu. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Hard reset. If the device crashes, hold the power button for a hard shutdown or press the reset button for a hard reset. Quitting games. For Nintendo DS games using Drastic, press L3 to display the menu and quit the game.